Good morning from Cincinnati, and it is a very cloudy day today. You can see the bridge over yonder, and you can see the traffic moving on it. But we woke up to snow this morning. Actually, there's two bridges. We got one on this side and one on this side. So I'm not really sure what the difference is, but they both will get you across the river. Either way. It's snowier and it's flurrying. Can you guys tell? The coffee here this morning in the room is not that fabulous, but they have a breakfast downstairs, and we're just waiting for Daniel to get his shower this morning and get spruced.
Eggs and potatoes.
You're hoping they have potatoes?
Yeah, and eggs and sausage.
I don't know. They might have oatmeal for you today on this snowy day.
If it's got nuts in it and apples, I'll do it.
You're really picky today. This travel life has got him spoiled rotten. Last night he was so full he couldn't move.
Oh, yeah, I could move, but I was plenty not hungry.
Now you can see Ronnie back there. So, honey.
I don't look so good.
You do. You look way better than I do.
I did shave, though.
You did shave?
Yeah, and got myself ready.
I feel like I'm always talking and not showing him, but I said, hey, you know, spruce yourself up and I'll put you in the video behind me here.
You tell them you want, you guys tell me you want to see more of, me and them videos. I told her that I said, you know, I ain't in these videos enough.
I know it. It's just that I'm always cooking, or you're at the gym. We do some separate things, and you know.
Well, we stay busy, that's for sure.
I know it. Are you enjoying your birthday weekend?
I'll tell you what, it's been a wonderful trip. You couldn't ask for anything better. Very relaxing trip. Even get down here, it was like a lot of farms on the way down here. A lot of
it is. It's very the drive was just a straight shot, but it was more of a rural scene. We didn't really pass much of anything but like farms and a lot of land, that kind of thing.
Apparently we got a lot to do again today, from what I understand.
Today?
Yes.
Yes, we do. We have a lot to plan, so we're going to have to see what the weather's like and get on the ball with that and get some breakfast in our bellies.
Oh, that'll be very good.
Yes, and then we'll check out.
Texas Roadhouse wore off now.
If all works out, I think that we're going to the aquarium this morning. All right, guys, we're going to get some breakfast. We're going to take you along on our day, and I hope you enjoy. It's freezing, and it's snowing. Actually what?
Actually, this morning, that's pretty darn good.
Hey, don't. Ronnie's drinking all of Danny's energy drink.
Like an actor. She can't act under pressure.
Oh, yes, you can.
Lights, camera, action. Hi, I'm Danny, and this is my third. This is my third video.
Video.
Yeah, video. I like it.
Danny, for all of us that are watching, how does it feel to have 3 videos? Oh, God.
Danny, what's your middle name, Danny?
Aaron.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
It should be Danny Roger.
Oh, like Jolly Roger?
I'm Danny George. Yeah. I'm Danny George, and this is my third video.
We're going in.
Oh, you're so cute. from the side table. Feel free to touch anything on the front half of the tank. Just use the gentle water to get your touch.
There's a little fish in that little thing. He comes out and swims and puts his butt back in it. Pretty cool.
Which ones?
Alright.
Those guys? Those are
Stick
giant.
your hand down.
All the way
All the way down,
So
all the way
have you ever
down.
seen Finding Nemo?
And you can touch him. Feel him?
Is that it?
Nemo and his dad lived in.
He can't hurt you. It's a starfish.
Yeah, it looks
A little bit of a different type. But
weird.
yeah.
He's gonna fling everybody.
With the Newport Aquarium, we are able to actually have a team of volunteer divers come in and actually do tank maintenance. So if anyone here is dive certified in advanced diving, you can get in this tank if you would like. Just go to wavefoundation.org, sign up, because it really helps us a lot. Now,
Fish on. There he is.
There it is.
That purple one with a baseball bat.
The Ronnie created a seahorse today. Did you know you were going to do that?
Not do a dragon.
Ronnie's checking out the seahorses over here. It's got big old eyeballs.
Yeah, it is.
There's several of them, a whole family of them.
Yeah, because if you look, I'll show you right here. Learn your lobsters. You may know the kind of cold water lobster that comes from Maine with the big claws. Caribbean lobsters like our friends here in Hatchling Harbor are warm water animals and have long antennae instead of claws. The other side of it, it's a full skull.
You feel the teeth though? I mean, this is what, when they put their prey, this comes down on them.
Yeah.
There's no saving you after that. But is this real or is this I wonder,
It looks like it's a die cast, so they made it from something.
because you can buy them in Florida
Yeah.
that are real.
They
But
can
this
chop down.
this is exactly what Dad would bring you home, except for these would be a lot thinner and sharp. They're sharper than this.
Yeah.
It says they can chomp down 2,100 pounds.
No.
That's way better. That was way better.
my mom might chop me in the throat if I get an AIDS.
We're gonna walk. Whoa!
He's that big boy.
What is that? Hi.
He's from the Amazon River,
He's so cute.
so I don't know what he is.
You can
It's a
see how
snake.
big he is.
It ain't no snake.
Is it an eel of some sort?
I don't know. He's from the Amazon.
Is it a fish?
Whoa.
That's a fish.
It's at least 6 feet. It could be.
I'm not familiar with it.
I just read the little card that said.
You're missing. You're missing. Look at that little fish. Look at this. Look, you're missing all the fishies. Look over here.
Let's go.
All right, good. Don't threaten me with the good kids. There we go. Right there.
on, we want to see you.
It's Sunshine the Shark Ray. He's been here since 2008.
Here he comes.
She was only 6 pounds. He has a barnacle on his tail.
Hey Cam.
Oh, here he comes.
So if you look up there, do you see the black netting? Yep, that's right.
Where'd he go?
He's underneath us. Oh, there's 2 of them. All right.
The bridge.
I guess we'll be ahead.
This is where we had our date.
We had our what?
We had our date.
Oh yeah.
All right. Here's what I want you to do.
It's a bench.
I'm gonna put you in. I want you to scoot down. Okay.
Okay.
It's like he's looking at everybody.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Now, as you guys are crossing the Shark Bridge,
You can cross this bridge over the giant thing of shark. Have that toy. You're not old enough. Cry. I'm videoing now. Woo!
This store's about 4 times.
I can't put this up. It's long.
Just meatballs, mashed potatoes, and a vegetable medallion.
I seen where they had them on sale.
So we made it home from our trip. We loved IKEA. Who doesn't love a good trip to IKEA? Hadn't been there in 5 years. We just grabbed a cup of coffee and a dessert, and then we made our way back home. And it is brutally cold since we made it back. Let's see, I did get a piece of furniture from IKEA. I already broke the news to my dad. Hey, when you get back, I'm gonna need you to assemble this for me. But anyways, we was laughing about it. I think if you guys have been watching me, you guys know that I have been saying I need a mudroom bench for over here when you come in the door. I found one. I think it's going to be the perfect size because I got the measuring tape out today and I measured the wall. And my dad was like, yeah, I think that's going to fit perfect there. It's not too complicated, I think, to put together. Just my dad has a special way of making sure that everything is really tight and secure. So we're going to do that. That's going to go over there. That's going to be so nice when that's done. And that is pretty much all I bought. I bought some little miscellaneous items, but other than that, that was it. We made it home, had about 10 o'clock, I don't know, between 9 and 10 o'clock in the evening. It was dark, it was cold, we unloaded the car, everybody was ready to go to bed because we did a lot of walking in 2 days. We had a lovely time, and thanks so much to our friend Danny who put up with us for a couple of days and took us, and we always have a good time with him, so it was so nice. It was so nice. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing our trip to Cincinnati. Can you tell I'm back home? Got the messy bun going on, getting ready to do some housework today. And I'm going to actually be filming here in a little bit, and you'll be seeing this outfit again in the next video. So I hope you all enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of Heidi's Home. Give me a thumbs up, and I will be seeing you all again soon. Check you out later. Bye, guys.